In the beginning of 2020, there was starting a virus named as COVID-19, which is increasing day by day in our country rather in the world. Many of people lost their lives due to this disease, and also the number of people who beat this virus is increasing. But nowadays there is no any vaccines to control this virus. So whenever it will come, we have to take care ourselves. There are a new word called lockdown which had come with this virus, and in the topmost lines today, lockdown means an emergency or condition in which people are temporarily prevented from entering or leaving a restricted area like buildings, schools, or other institutes during a threat, danger. Or also, we can use the word curfew, lockout, containment, and the last locking. On the other hand, because of this lockdown, there are some impacts on our life, either good or bad. So let's look on beneficial impacts. First, priority for online work and study. Every human in the world are strictly obeys the rules of their government and administration. All students are in home doing online study from home, and also the employees are doing work from home. The online work is in popularity. Second, value of our health and safety. With lockdown, people are aware of their hygiene and about with cleaning surroundings. People take care of themselves. They wear mask, hand gloves, which is a good habit. Third, change in environment. The most important thing is our environment. Before the starting of COVID-19, the air had been very toxic to breathe. Environment degradation was happening fast due to depletion of air, water, and soil. Also, the vegetation and fertility of soil greatly affected by pollution. But now, when there is a lockdown, all industries, factories, scientific labs, transport are closed, so there is low pollution. Pollution is decreased by lockdown, and environment is becoming more safe. So in this difficult time, stay safe and also secure our environment. Thanks.